Okay, let's carry on. Okay,
Okay. I see.
so we are still here. So you are having problem with the grid system there. The reason is not clear because we have the same thing here, grid, and then we specify grid columns of 3. Okay, assuming I put here medium. When you're medium, md, let it take 3. Let's see, where will it be? And then let's see, here it is. They need initial value for that one. Let's say when you are in small screen, like let's say sm small screen, the grid will be dash calls dash 1. Then starting from medium and above, it will be 3 columns. So what happened here? It doesn't work this way. So now if as soon we remove this one, okay, this one out, and then just define 3 columns here and then save, everything goes on. But there is a drawback of this one. What will happen if you go into small mobile phone like this? Let's suppose this is an iPhone 12. You see, it's going to break and a lot of errors. So we need to address that one, but we don't have time. First of all, let's try to fix these ones here, then we fix that one tomorrow. We are going to start working with the desktop version, which is this, and then here let's first of all try to arrange these icons into what row, because they are stacking on each other. Let's go and see where do we find the, let me try to zoom out my code also. Fn alt minus control Fn minus, okay, like this. I think like this is visible, right? My code. So now when I click on,
Yes.
okay, when I click on this thing here, then add here also I want to make them flex, make them into the row. If I do like this, you can see these 3 icons here that change the direction, and then I want to give a space between them, so I have to click here. At the end of these numbers I've added to the size here, I can add a cn here, which is the class name. I can even customize like maybe a margin x, but that means margin left and right. When we start the plane geometry in mathematics, guys, the x-axis and the y-axis. So here is meaning we are dealing with the left and right when we talk about x here. Okay, we want to pass 4 here, so you can give there is space here, but it's too much. Maybe we can pass 2 and see. But the disadvantage is what? It's pushing everything from there. That means we need to give also our padding to our entire container. So the entire container is found here. So here we can add our padding first of all, or we can just give it a width. We can add here width. So the screen size is going to be width is given by w. Width of, let's use 83% is 11. Let's use 10% is okay. 10 out of 12 is the screen size. Then we can add the margin of automatic to everything, auto, like this. Now if you save, you can see this is where our things will rely. But to do this one, not in the container where the color and whatever goes on, maybe we can pass this width here property into another one more div outside. That div will be here, and then we can pass the class there, but we have to wrap everything with this div. That means at the end of this one here, I just pass this one there, and then I save. Now if I try to check, the screen is added, but we need to print the background here also. This background, now the background will come here, and then the screen will go back into X, this here, like this. Now if you try to check the result, you can see you get this beautiful space here and that one. So let's try to bring this one down. It's not good to add left and right to our icons here, so maybe here we need to also try to go back to 100. Okay, like this. So let's see what we can do about that one. First of all, we have a margin mxl is going to be margin right instead of x, so I'm going to pass it all into the right. I can just click on this mx here, go to margin l, let it be left, right, sorry, r, like this one is aligned together with everything we have. And then next we need to add what the space on top of them, that is margin top or py of 2 to give a space. It's going to be margin y of 2 to give a space outside, yeah, a space outside like this. Then we first move to our email here. When I click here, there is this outline shape showing there black. I don't like that one, so I have to go where there is the word here, input email. So within this input I can add the class. Now I can say cn class name, then within that class name I can have maybe outline to none, just like this. Click S. Now when I click here, I don't see any outline, but at least I can see something tapping, but the color is just white. So maybe I have to change the color here also. You can say text gray. I want this to be gray, and then I can specify the type, maybe gray like this, 600. Now what will happen when I type anything there? It appear in gray. I want to make it rounded, so what do I do? Here where we have specifying others here, I can just say here rounded dash md medium. When I click like this, you see there's nice rounded there. But if I maybe I'll just make it sm small, yeah, like this is just fine. And then I have to add padding of 2 also there, padding of 2, give some nice space. Then for the bottom here, which is the pressing one, I have to first of all add type of it. It's going to be submit. When I click, it will submit something to the database, and it will have also a cn, the class name of bg should be light blue. Okay, they're going to say orange, okay, we're going to use orange. Let's first of all say yellow dash 900. How will it look like? That's very small. Let's use 700, is okay. 500, okay, 500 is fine. 5 or 6, okay, this one is more orange. Then I can make the width of full to make it 100% there, width full. And then I have to add some margin y, that's top and bottom margin can be 2, and it must have a padding of 2 too. But this one's supposed to go and meet that one. And then it has a rounded property of also sm. Okay, then we can add one more property. Let's say rounded full doesn't work, so why? Let's add this one to 100%. Let's see. To add another specific, you can put in the curly in this one square bracket. Let's say margin should be 100%. It doesn't go all there. Let me see, button with input from. First let's remove this one out, this action, remove it out. Then let's add required property, so that you cannot press on this one, it has to be something inside, just the default one. let's see why this one and this, it has to be inside a form width is 100%. Let's say here from the form we define a cm class name width of full. Let's see whether that one is complete or not. Are you guys there all? Those who are
Yes,
okay,
Yeah, why? Yeah.
very good. So here I have this one, this one, this one, this one, and then up logo. Let's try to get any logo and put there. Let's go to internet and get one logo from there. Logo, let's say news logo, like this can give us popular. Okay, let's take this. There is two ways, either you can inject or you can remove. Okay, let's try to take the png format. png with no background. News, this one, that one. Let's take this. Okay, right click here. If you want to inject this one directly, it's okay. Maybe you can just copy image link like this, then you just go here. Where is link logo? Yeah, go and paste this here. Immediately this will go back and reflect our changes. You see, it comes here. But the problem is maybe you will not have internet while you are going to develop this one. So the right idea, maybe you have to download it. So right click here, right and click, go to save image as this one. Then we see where are we stationed this one. Let's go to desktop. It is our project. Scroll block up. I will check maybe in the assets. I'll leave it there and save. Then for me to access it into my application, I have to pass through, or I have to import it on top. Maybe we can import. Here I will just say import. Let's say this one logo from. Then I will specify double dot here means get out from the current folder where you are. Then I can be in assets. I go to asset, I put /, it will show me the image here, this one. Now to use this one, I will use it as a JavaScript element. I will just add here curly brace and I will paste this inside and then save it like this. While we go here, I can remove that one, save. Now this image is here, it's already locally. Then I can be able to check it now on my browser. If I do like this, I see the nice picture there, but it's somehow big. So to reduce the size of it, I will just come back here to my logo here. Maybe I can give a cm here, which is the class name. I can say maybe first of all I want to round this one, round it dash, I want to make it 50%. I close this back, it remove that white background out. I have to reduce the size of it. Maybe the width, I can say width is going to be in all square bracket. I want the width of 60 pixels. Let's see. Oh, that one's 600, sorry. So it is 60 pixels like this. Let's make it 90. Are you guys seeing my screen? Hello.
yes, sir.
So now you
Yes, sir.
you guys can see. Yeah, now I have this email. This email is not equivalent to this, so I have to add only width full here to this input so that they can be at the same size. So I go back here, subscribe, then I have input here, then I have the class name. Within this one I just say here width dash or full, like this. When I save, they will come together. If I do like this one, they have balance. Then if I want to give maybe a space between this P and the one which is up, I have to come back here and say this is the P here. I can add a class name here, CN here. The CN that has a PY, that is top and bottom, should be over 2. That 2, if you want to know how many in local CSS, you just hover on it. It's padding 0.5 RAM, which is 8 pixel tops and bottom. Now if you go back like this, you can see it's looking good. The same thing here. If I want to add some other special stuff, I can add by going on the top where we have this one here. This is where. Then here in CN like this, CN, I can add the class name P over PY, sorry, PY over 2. PY of 2 means padding top and bottom. Now if I go here, push them there, you can see there is the same equal space here and there. Then we have our logo there. Then we have then we have to add extra one more line to wind up that one. Maybe if you guys want to add more links, it's okay for you. Just come down here, shift alt like this to complete the space here. Okay, then next we want to add some copyright down here. So what do we do here? We first go up and see where is the end of the first div here, second div here is having the color, the first one having the color. Okay, I will just go down here, the last div here, which is here, I can add one more div here. This div will not have any classes. Okay, it will have some classes. Let me say first of all we have border property, border bottom of 2, and then we have to specify the color border dash white like this. And then let's add properties here like small. It's going to help us small text. Let's say copyright. And then maybe if you want to add some JavaScript here, syntax, we just do like this. Put curly brace, pass here new, and pass a date, JavaScript date object, which is like this. Dot get, okay, full year. I want to get the full year like this. Then we pass that one here. You can see here we're getting this one, copyright 2024, just automatic without writing 2024 like anything. Then here within border dash bottom of 2, border white, okay, border width, border white 2 is not showing, I don't know why, and then white is not there. Okay, let's go, let's give it a width of 7 out of 12 M automatic to bring it in the middle. Let's do it like this. Oh, it's showing the white line, very good. It's showing it's automatic. Let's say okay, this one be at least not 7, let it be 10. Okay, 10. Then let's add the padding property of y over 4. Let's see, that means in our first div here should have also a padding property here. Let it have a py property of 8. If I do like this line is visible, but this line seems to be very thick. For me to remove that thick line out, I have to go down here where we have 2, meaning border bottom of 2. I can just specify this one square bracket here. I can add 1 px like this, like the line become light, and then to bring this one in the middle, okay, or I will just say text center, very simple, text dash center like this. Once I do like this, everything is center. If I want to make it white, I can say text dash white, it will be white. If I want to change like the background, maybe a little bit, not that blue, I can say bg dash blue dash, I can specify we are using blue 900, I can use blue maybe 700. Let me just use it here directly. 700, we get this type of background. Maybe let's say 800 is okay for me. Okay, then I want this one to be down. That means I have to change from border bottom to the top. That means I have to add first of all one more div here. So the div that I will put here is the one that will have that bg of blue dash 800. Then the rest goes in. Then I have to remove the one which we have here. Okay, then the line is going to be up, not the bottom. Here we have b, here is going to be t, stand for top. It goes like this. Then I don't need to add that padding of 8 here. Ky of 8 I have to remove it just out. We are okay like this. Okay, 2021. If you want to include the name of our brand, then we put it here. It's called a news. State of copyright 2024. It's called here this world news. World news copyright, something like that. If you want a copyright symbol here, instead of writing copyright you can say all right reserved, maybe all rights reserve, like this. Then we need this at symbol here, world news at copyright. That copyright symbol here, to put that symbol is very easy. You are going to put first of all end tab dot copy and then comma. Let's see, you see you get this symbol sign here. Now just copy. Anyone have problem? Hello,
Sir?
any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
problem.
If anyone want to ask question, the door is open.
What is it? Just answer the question. Why are we even talking about why?
Sir,
Yeah,
I mean, what makes you think I even want to say
hope
why again?
the recording is still on.
yeah, it's recording also. The second part is being recorded.
Okay, because I want to turn it.
Should I share the code right now, or you guys need the code all at the end?
This is why you look plain.
Sir, I think you should keep the code. Let us first do it by ourselves.
Okay, now
Then,
now is a challenge. You guys go home, go and work on something the same. The good thing I've sent you already the picture here in the group. Okay, this is the picture. You guys need to do something just
Why, wait,
close to
wait.
this one, or
How do
if not exactly close, or if
wait?
it's better, even go and beyond. Okay, add more as possible. Then anyone have question
okay.
should text me before we start lecture tomorrow. Okay.
Mark?
Then tomorrow we come and
But
fix.
sir,
Mm?
can you send the YouTube link before tomorrow
Yeah, yeah, the YouTube
so we
link.
can?
Yeah, yeah, I will send the link today all because I will upload them now. After I upload, I will share the link immediately in the group. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, like
okay,
this will
sir.
be very easy. Then the lecture for tomorrow I will record today at night. Then I will send it all in the morning. You guys can have access to it up to at 4. Everyone is already maybe watch or confident about what is going to pass. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
You trying to break?